Hi, welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Have you ever been halfway through a recipe and realized, I have no buttermilk? I'm trying to cook buttermilk fried chicken, what makes it taste delicious and crispy. Or I'm trying to make my buttermilk biscuits, but I don't have any buttermilk. Okay, don't panic. I got you. Here's a quick fix. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice to 1 cup of milk. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. It'll curdle slightly and boom, instant buttermilk. Perfect for your biscuits and your chicken or anything else that needs that tangy richness. Try it next time you're in a bind and save that grocery run. More tips, more love right here in Lavonne's Kitchen.